Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back. Today we'll be talking about rules of lam. Take your time with the students here and explain to them about when lam will be heavy, when it will be light. Lam is only heavy in the name of Allah, right? When there is a fatha or dhamma before the word. So Allah, right? Allah, qalul Yes, Allahumma is also Allah's name. It means same thing, means oh Allah actually. And if there's a kasra before it, for example, billah, lillah, this is something that has to be emphasized and memorized, a rule. Next is going to be the other lambs, they're not affected. Other lambs will always be read thin, not heavy. Now we'll go to the rules of ra. Ahkamur ra. There are quite a few here, and this will take some time for them to sink in, but generally speaking, they're quite easy if you take a quick glance. So whenever there is something over on top of the ra, anything, ra, fatha, fathatain, dhamma, dhammatain, right? Or sukoon, right? Is going to be what? Is going to be heavy. So that sukoon, of course, is specific. Before it, we have to look if there's a fatha or dhamma, then it's going to be heavy, not any sukoon. But look, when there's fatha or dhamma or double fatha, double dhamma, we're going to extend, we're going to make it heavy. And then, of course, when there's a heavy letter after a ra that has sukoon, it'll be heavy. And then do the examples with them. فرقة مرصادا إرصادا, right? And فرق actually is a exception. You can have heavy or light here. فرق, right? And then when will ra be light? We have three situations. One has kasra, or when there is kasra tain, or there's kasra before a ra with sukoon. There's one example which isn't shared here, and that is when a ra over here comes with a sukoon, but before it is a kasra, but that kasra is from a hamzatul wasl. Irji'u, for example. And I'll just write it down real quickly for you guys to follow along. Right? I'll write it over here. Irji'u. Make a different color. Mhm. Ir. Why is this disappearing on me? Here we go. Irji'u. Hamza to the wasf followed by ra sukun. Ra will be heavy. Okay, let's go to the next part, which is just practice from the Quran. MashaAllah, we've come to the end of the book pretty much. And we'll take this lesson 19 in the next lesson. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.